So today the plan is to mount the EG4 6000 XP on the wall. That will be a breaker from the solar panels, and then I will be mounting a 4-socket thingy there.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando, yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
I took out the brackets, laid them down flat. For some reason they were pointed in that direction, and the sun rises over here and sets over there. So the direction they were at, they were not getting the sun properly. So now they're laid down like this. They get full sun, maybe 8 to 9 hours a day. So the ones, I gotta just check the voltage that I'll be getting out of those. If they're around 38 volts, that will be perfect. 38 volts will match up very nicely with the other ones I have. So I plan to basically cover that roof with my solar panels and then feed the inverter. Well, I put all the panels up on the roof. They are now all wired in and sitting just slightly proud of the roof so that water doesn't get caught underneath of them. That one panel that I'm pointing at there is a slightly higher wattage than all the others, but that's really of no real consequence. It's really the voltage that's the issue. And we're all set to go now to connect it up to the rest of the system. This wire is from the panels on the roof. So today the plan is to mount the EG4 6000 XP on the wall. That will be a breaker from the solar panels. Muffin is here to give me a hand again, as usual. And then I will be mounting a 4-socket thingy there. I can't think what it's called, I'm sorry. But anyway, as I say, the unit will be going on the wall here. It should nicely, I can drill holes here, nicely there. The breaker box will hang on the wall somewhere about here. That should give me enough cable to go in under the panel.
sí! ¡Ay, ja, ja! ¡Sí, señor! ¡Claro que sí! ¡Ay, ja, ja! ¡Sí, señor! ¡Claro que sí! ¡Ay, ja, ja! ¡Sí, señor! ¡Claro que sí! ¡Ay, ja, ja! ¡Sí, señor!
It's alive. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive.